Hey there, foodie friends! Welcome to our channel. Today we're about to shake things up with some awesome plant-based recipes that are as easy as they are delicious. Studies show that opting for more plant-based meals can improve heart health, aid weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By embracing these recipes, you're not just adding flavor. You're nourishing your body with essential nutrients and contributing to a sustainable lifestyle. So today, we're diving into a world of flavor and health with 3 delectable plant-based recipes that are easy to make and bursting with good. So get ready for our first delicious recipe. 1. Easy quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Bell peppers. Quinoa. Mixed vegetables and onions, tomatoes and spinach. 5. Spices such as paprika, cumin and garlic powder. Chop and sauté mixed vegetables in a pan until soft. Mix cooked quinoa with sautéed vegetables and spices. Stuff the bell peppers with the quinoa veggie mix. Bake at 375 deg 190 deg for 20-25 minutes until peppers are tender. Benefits: provides a mix of proteins and vitamins. Colourful, flavourful and a great way to enjoy veggies. 2. Simple coconut curry. Ingredients: minced vegetables, elite carrots, bell peppers and broccoli. Coconut milk. Curry powder. Fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. Chop veggies into bite-sized pieces. Simmer veggies in coconut milk and curry powder for 15-20 minutes until tender. Garnish with fresh herbs before serving. You can also serve with rice. Benefits: creamy and rich in essential nutrients. An easy way to enjoy a variety of veggies in one dish. 3. Quick chocolate avocado mousse. Ripe avocados. Cocoa powder. Sweeteners such as honey or maple syrup. Blend avocados, cocoa powder and sweeteners until smooth. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. Benefits: creamy, indulgent and packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. A simple, guilt-free dessert option. So there you have it, folks. 3 plant-based wonders that'll knock your socks off. They're not just tasty, they're loaded with all the good stuff your body loves. Hit subscribe and join us for more flavorful recipes.